very amazing.
Amazing.
Hello guys, today I will going to discuss to you regarding this very the concept and the topic about the ukulele. So this ukulele is made of wood, and we have 4 strings, and basically it came from invented in Hawaii. What do you call this? This is called ukulele in American or English, and in Hawaii this is ukulele. So either ukulele or ukulele. And we have different parts. For example, this is the head, and then this is the tuning peg or adjusting tuner, and then this is the nut, and then the strings, and then the fingerboards. And as you can see, this big dots, we call that a marker. And then the back is neck, and then it's also called the body, or they are called also box. Also we have the bridge and the saddle sound hole. So basically how you hold this very small instrument. Okay, we have 2 kinds of holding. So first is in standing position. So when you stand, so simply put it at the center of your body, and approximately the level of your shoulder. As you can see, dapat halos pantay siya sa the shoulder. And then at yung arm mo, as you can see, the arm dito sa pinaka join, just put it like this, and then it must be like this. So dapat hindi malalaglag yung instrumento, and then it must be relaxed. You can do like this. Okay, so it must be attached, or dapat nakaipit dito sa between your body and your arm. And then in your left hand, just put it like this. Okay, like this. Then also relax. Okay. How about the second one is the sitting position. Just put it like this. Okay, it be under your lap, and then same position. And whatever, for example, if you want to play this, it must be not here in the sound hole, but in between the marker of the 2 marker and then the 1 marker. So it must be like this. Okay, so when you play it, it must be and the last part of the fingerboard. So it will be like this. Okay, so and then in your right hand, it must be like this. So every time, this is for you to be able to use your finger at the same time. Use, for example, you want to use a pick, that small plastic, triangular plastic, and you can use that in guitar or in your ukulele. So it must be like this. And then how you strum this? So it must be like opening a doorknob. So it must be like this. Not the way up this. No, it must be like this. Okay, so next we're going to discuss to you, okay, the number of string in the ukulele. So this is 4 string, and you will start on counting. So this is the first string, and this is the second, and then third and fourth. So the first string is called A string, and then the second one is E string, and the fourth one is C and G. So A, B, C, G. If you want to memorize it, just memorize all elephant consume grass. So A, E, C, G. All elephant consume grass. Okay, so this is the first fret, the second fret, and then the third fret. Okay? Okay, so yung unang tatlo lamang ang gagamitin mo. Okay? Sa other lesson natin, tsaka siguro natin gagamitin yon but today, first, second, third. And dito sa first fret, ang ginagamit natin is the first finger, and then in the second fret is the second finger, and then the third fret is the third finger. Okay, so thumb, and then this is the first finger, second, third, and then the fourth. Okay, so sa ating third lesson, okay, we're going to teach you the basic 4, okay, the first 4 basic chords. Just put your third finger on the third fret, like this. So, third finger on third fret, and then put that in the first string. So, of course, your thumb, it must be here, okay, at the back of the fingerboard, and this is your C chord, and it must be use your the tip of your finger, so it sounds like this. So you will going to use the down strum, so it's like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How about in up strum? It's like this. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about down and up? So down, up, down, up, down, up. So the finger is like this. So third fret, and then the strum is like this: down, 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 and then up, 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 and then down, up, down, up. We call this the A minor chord. So in A minor chord, put your second finger. So this is the first and second. So this is your second finger, and then put that at the fourth, on the fourth string. So this is the first, second, third, and fourth. So put it like this. Okay, so it must be second finger. Okay, so we're going to strum it down, 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 or up, 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 or down, up, down, up. Okay, how about if going to shift the chords from C to A minor? So it's like this: down, 2, 3, 4, and then A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going C again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then A minor again, 1, 2, 3, 4. The third one is your F major, so, or simply F. So in F, you're going to use your second finger like A minor, and then put your first finger on first fret, second string. So it must be like this, like that, this. So the A, like A minor, but you add first fret, second finger using your second finger. So like this. So the sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or down, up, down, up, down, up. How about shifting from F up to A minor? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how about shifting from C major or C, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and F, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is you're going to use this is the G7. So G7 is like this. If you will see your F in G7, you just transfer your second finger into third string, same fret, and then your third finger is on first string, second fret. It's been like this. Okay, so you're going to see that on the screen. So again, G7 is like from F, you just put it or transfer it downward, one string to another, and then the third finger is the second fret, first string. So don't remove this from F, just use that as a guide, and then put it in third string, and then second fret, and then your third finger is the first second fret, first string. So the sounds like this. This is G7. Okay, so if you're going to do that, it's like this. F, from F to G7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so that is the 4 basic chords. So if you're going to do that, C, and then A minor, and then F, and G7 sounds like this. It's all is down strum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then second finger F, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then F. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then transfer the second finger to the third string and then first string. G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the regular speed. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or like this. So 1. Okay, so that is the end of our lesson 4. Okay, basic ukulele. Oh, what's up guys? Ito naman ako ngayon ang part ng usapang shoutout. So yung shoutout natin for this first vlog is medyo marami-rami itong ika-shoutout ko kasi again, this is very memorable kasi from 200 plus subscriber ngayon nasa 300 plus going to 500 na. So share, subscribe, guys, yung mga estudyante ko sa pinaka one of the best school dito sa Valenzuela. Share nyo lang yung video na to and ma-reach natin 500 subscribers. Okay, so ang ating unang i-shoutout is yung actually this is from latest to kahit ano na to, dire-diretso lang. Okay, so sa shoutout ko si Fiona Villalon sa St. Cecilia, si Johan Vincent sa St. Genevieve, and then si SUTO PW sa Grade 4 St. Monica, and then Hinata Nishimura, and then JD Banglisa ng St. Dorothy, kasi yung iba wala silang mga hindi na section. Okay, so dapat pag magka-shout kayo, lagyan nyo yung section nyo or anong real name nyo. And then si Gabriel Dizon, then si Kayla Hernandez ng St. Genevieve, and then Sofia Lumabas ng 8 Pope Leo, so grade 8 Pope Leo. And then ano ito? Bionic Orange sa St. I think this is Genevieve din. Alright. Si Bionic Orange, and then si Maxine Francisco, Joyce Timbreza, and then Nino De Vera sa St. Mark, and then Flat Device sa St. John, and then shout out kay Empress Dominic sa St. Anne, and then Kyla Place. So ito yung kanyang like and subscribe kay Carla Place, and then si Siamara Reyes. Okay, next shoutout si Maria Victoria Bernardo, and then Unicorn Laika. So like and subscribe nyo si Unicorn Laika, St. Agnes, and Brian Bernardo. Then Twice Pink. Okay, subscribe nyo po si Twice Pink, Saint Scholastica. And then si Royce, same section. And then si King's Place, subscribe nyo rin po siya sa YouTube channel niya, King's Place. And then Rocky Pedarmilia sa Mary Goretti. And then Aliesa and Lian's Vlog. Ayesa and Lian's Vlog. So subscribe nyo rin po siya, St. Agnes. And then Marilyn Pasana, St. Agnes. And si Debbie Dogs Lover, ito po nasa, I think this is nasa Middle East po siya ngayon, at relatives ko po. So shoutout kay Debbie Dogs Lover. And then Tamara Gian Martin sa St. Mark. And si Mika, yung estudyante ko sa violin, Mika, yung kanyang like and subscribe, yung kanyang Love Sneaks, Loubs, tapos NIXXS. So, and then si Mix, yung estudyante ko dito sa guitar, yung kanyang sa shoutout din po sa kanya. So yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-shoutout ngayon, please i-like nyo po, and then try to click the notification bell, so para yung next nating lesson makikita nyo and then kung hindi nyo makuha po yung ating lesson natin, number 1, so ulit-ulitin nyo lang po para ma-memorize nyo po yung lesson na to. Okay, so ating mga viewers na ngayon po ay nakikita nyo po yung vlog ko na to, and mag-comment po kayo sa mga kailangan po, yung mga kailangan nyo pong matutunan, and share nyo po itong video na to. Okay, so thank you, and see you again for the next tutorial for ukulele and any kind of music like violin, ukulele, drums, and guitar. So see you again, and bye-bye.